Come in.
This place is definitely crazy. It's got this old Victorian look going on.
Whoa! There's a mirror.
For those who want to do it, although all that print covers up the sexiness of your body, baby. And this one here.
I don't want to look on that image.
That's creepy.
That's so creepy.
I bet you at night it glows in the dark, and her eyes follow you.
Oh no!
So this place is one of the cheapest places you can get on the Vegas Strip. You're probably wondering why. Is it worth it? Is it, because it looks nice from the outside. And in fact, if you walk around the casino floor, it looks real nice. But how do the rooms hold up? Well, this one here online looks really amazing because of the print that they got designed, and they got that crazy long Victorian style. What do you call this chair? Lounge chair. Which is really nice. And this size room is actually pretty nice, right, baby? This room is nice because right over here you have a whole separate area for a bathroom, right? Closet and a shower, which oddly enough you can look through to the other side to your bedroom if you wanted to. That's a little bit weird. Take a shower here. You can have everyone come and take a peek at you. And the weirdest thing is, babe, if you're here with your mom and dad, you don't have control of the current. They could just open it up and look inside, and you're like, yo! But otherwise, really nice, right? We got this room for $27 a night. Right? That's a hella good deal. And you know it's a hella good deal when the cost of the room is less than the resort fees.
That's cray.
That's Vegas for you, man. So we paid another $45 in resort fees. Grand total, about $80-some. But what are the things here that make you go, this might be just a little too cheap?
The curtain.
Okay, first off, exactly. You see all this fancy decoration around the room here? Huh? You see all that? That's this is nothing more. It's not even wallpaper. It's quite literally a drape with a print on it that goes all the way around the room. All right? Yeah, they just draped it. You can look behind it. Just look at that. Now, does that really matter? To most people, probably not. I mean, it looks cool, but there's parts of it where you're like, you know what? They didn't think this through. Like, for instance, right? You get a fridge here, which is nice, but this curtain here, I'm like, all right, well, it's not quite going in the back. You need to put it in the back. I'm like, why won't it fit? It's because there's a plug down there and it's getting in the way. So they didn't design it around the plug. So it's just bad design. And then second, the print, that face. Come on. That is creepy as hell. It literally looks like one of those faces you see in a haunted house mansion where they'll jump out at you at some point. Third, it looks like, right, from online, it looked like this window here would open up all the way.
Not even half.
Right, like you would have a spectacular view. But no, that's basically as big as the window will ever get. This is just a wall. They're literally covering up a wall here. So don't be fooled online, yo. It is not a full-size wall-to-wall window. Okay, so this is a real plus right here. Just about every place now in Vegas has gotten rid of the mini fridge, or they made it so that it has sensors in it and they fill it up with their stuff. So if you take just one thing out, you're paying for it. So the fact that you get a full-size fridge here that you can use, it's amazing. It's a plus.
Because if you want to eat outside and you have leftovers, you can bring
Exactly.
it in.
Or water. And I think this water's free, although it doesn't exactly say. I'm a little scared, baby. If I drink this, am I going to get charged $45?
I don't think so. It's complimentary.
But I gotta admit, this thing they have here, it looks like it was just thrown in a room. Like,
Yeah, and this should be like a drawer.
you know what this looks like? This looks like a fancy garbage bin that you see like in a Taco Bell. Like after you finish eating, or you push this open, and that's what it is. So, yeah. This chair, this is a real plus. I mean, seriously, it goes all the way across.
Why do you need that?
Instagram worthy. It's just really nice decoration. You don't normally see a chair like this nice in most hotel rooms. I mean, look at it. You look like you're just real comfortable there. You could just lounge there. The other decorations here, nice. And the fact that you got 2 wall-to-wall mirrors, that's nice. So you can see your front side and back side all at the same time. And I'll tell you, man, I remember staying here many years ago and they had a mirror on the ceiling and it was like entire ceiling and it was hot. It was like, okay, I can see how young couples come here and, you know, want to do it for the first time and see themselves. But this, nah. The problem is like someone my age, I can't even see myself through that. I'm like, it looks like looking through glaucoma. And the other things, right? Here's another negative. Light don't work. In fact, this light looks so cheap here. Looks like it's just paper from IKEA.
It's a design.
It's not working, yo. And then another negative. TV, I can't freaking find the remote. I looked everywhere. And in fact, I tried to even look in the back to see if I can, boom, 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 ba-doo.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. I can't turn the TV on. So I'm actually thinking of switching rooms just because of that reason. You know what I'm saying?
You don't even watch TV.
I feel like I should get my amenities when I'm paying $45 a night. The other thing here, here's another negative. I mean, this closet space, real nice. Would be nice if you actually cover it up, but like that drawer is broken. You can't close it, it's askew. So,
Did you break it?
no, it came like that, baby. I didn't do that. I mean, it's nice that they have a safe, but yeah, that thing looks damaged, so.
But it's broken, like the knobs are broken.
Yeah, the knobs are loose. Everything's kind of askew, a little bit broken here. I will say the bathrooms were nice though. Nice mirror with the backlit right there going on. And the shower, nice big shower. Boom, dual heads, right? You get that rainforest effect if that's what you're up for. But this, you know, letting anyone come and have a free show. I mean, I guess it's Vegas, so hey, why not, right? You should at least have a little window there by the side where they can, you know, put dollar bills through and pay you for the show, but.
Dollar bills, dollar bills.
So there you go, y'all. That's my room tour. Would I recommend it to y'all for $27 a night?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's a good deal, yo. There's nothing here that would make me go like, absolutely, like this is nasty or gross. It's actually nicely kept room and overall, you know, with the white decor design, bright, airy, big size room. It's worth it. All right, y'all. I'll peace out. We're gonna explore the casino now.